So good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look, man. Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is...
What we waiting for? Magellan Ave, nigga. Vespucci Beach.
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here.
And you love me for it, nigga.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
Think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait from me! For example, agents?
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Be cool, nigga. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This is a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. It's in one of these lockups. Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
We saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Come on. Fucking down. Come on down, everybody. Come on down.
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight. Get the...
Find your bitch ass for cuffing. Shit, on your left. You get booked. We got to move. Behind that truck, homie. Motherfuckers on the scaffold is on me. Shoot up that cat. Follow me. Let's get through this. Damn, man. Just when I thought this shit was clearing up.
Flipping bricks is easy work, dog.
Homie, get out. There's the fool on the balcony. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass.
Nowhere to escape now.
He's a lucky motherfucker. Spoil the nigga. Get that car and try to get out of here. Shoot the gas, homie. You'll get PC'd up in the pen, nigga. Still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came in for a bite.
This motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here. We got some pink slip. Let's get him.
Man, this is fucking crazy. You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies. Pop that fool. We need him on his ass. We got it. Dog, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and meet me at the car wash on Innocence. All right, I'll see you over there.
It's being burned. Four walls just staring at a nigga. I'm paranoid, sleeping with my finger on.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You lucky I ain't do a flying tomahawk and scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting chief asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't